Okay, today we're going to learn how to make this Chinese Asian style fish. It's actually a basic way to make fish. You get the salmon and you bake it because in the winter it's too cold to barbecue all the time. Here's a photo. You always want the dull side on the outside. I'm going to take the fish, and since I don't like to touch uncooked meat because it's really nasty, so don't really touch it, just like then just seasoning is really basic. Just put salt, pepper, and then Mrs. Dash. Then we flip it over. And then you add some more salt and pepper. Then you close it in the foil. This way it keeps all the moisture in. Then that's perfect. And then you just wait for the oven to preheat at 350, and then we'll leave it about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll come back. Okay, so after about 25 minutes, we'll take the fish out of the oven. Careful, it's going to be real hot. First, you want to make sure you just open it just to check that it's cooked. And don't close it. See all this is that the fish has also nice and steamed. Oh, it smells so nice. So just cut it just to check it's cooked. And yep, the fish is all cooked. Okay, and you can see all this oil, but this is the good oil for you. It's the natural oil, so it doesn't make super fat. So just transfer this into the serving dish. You just leave it in the foil if it's too difficult to take out. Now all you do is just pour soy sauce on it.
Look, I said whatever I had to say, alright? I wasn't right for the job, I just needed some fool to replace me. And you fit the bill.
And you top that up with the green onions.
You catch on real fast, kid. Maybe you're not as big of a loser as I thought.
Okay, so you're all done. And then you just eat it. It's a very simple, easy, and healthy way to make some fish. So that's it. Bye!